Hello and welcome to another video on the Moose channel, and today we're going to be doing Rubik's Cube speed test.
Hello, I am going to do the 3x3 speed run test. Here we go.
We're going to be testing how fast he does this by using a fidget spinner. Yes, I know these are old, but we're going to still use it. 3, 2, 1.
I don't think you spun that quick enough.
Okay, let me spin it a little faster. We'll count that as half a spin.
Well, then that was a good spin. Okay. Step 2.
Alright, you're at 1.5 spins. I'll give you another good spin.
This step takes me the longest. I'm going as quick as I can.
Okay, here is your 3.5 spins now.
I'm doing okay.
Okay, you're at. Hold on, let me get a good spin. There you go. You're at 4.5 spins.
Alright, I am done.
I'd count that about 4 3/4 of a spin, but we'll count it as 4.5. Sorry. So now it's on to the 2x2. Okay, so now it is my turn. So my friend's going to spin my fidget spinner while I try to solve it. So when he starts spinning, I am going to attempt to solve it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, remember the 2x2 is quicker than the 3x3. Remember that. Want to go for a second spin?
Yeah.
Alright, this is the second spin.
Solved.
Got it.
I hope you guys enjoyed that speed test. I will link the algorithms to both the 2x2 and the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in the bottom of the description. And if you don't know what the algorithm is, it is basically the kind of like a cheat to solve it. So it basically tells you if you move this up or this sideways and which way. So yeah, hope you guys
Same with this.
enjoyed
Like this way.
the video. And if you did, please leave a like. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. And until the next one, peace.